minutes to teach you how to use a selfie to put your face on the video you want to change. Whether it is a Korean girl group, an American superstar, or black, white, Hispanic brothers and sisters, you can do face swap. I posted these videos in my WeChat moments. Everyone thought I had a very good figure, but in fact those came out of face swap. Now I can't believe anything because everything can be altered, and this technology is free as long as you can surf the internet. And your computer configuration is not particularly bad, you can do it too. Hi, I am the creator of AI Yourself series. This series has been updated to episode 4. This is the most powerful episode. You can use just one selfie to face swap the video, and I can't see any flaws. The progress of AI technology is too fast. I have been stunned by the speed of AI updates. I don't know if everyone feels the same, so don't forget to like and subscribe before starting. If you turn on the little bell, you'll not miss any of my future episode. I will be scolded again when this video comes out. Everyone is talking about scam has been upgraded again, so remember to forward this video to those who still don't know about it, so no one will be fooled by the AI video. Or find the notes of this issue below. The first thing to do is to go to this Google Colab link. What is Google Colab? It is a free online programming platform that allows you to run code in a browser just like a computer, and it runs on the cloud without installing any software on your computer, as long as you have a Google Chrome browser and your computer configuration is not too bad. A good GPU is recommended. Don't be intimidated by these codes. First of all, connect the GPU to the upper point. After connecting, there is a play button at this place. You just click the play button one by one from top to bottom, and it will start to run. First, Roop is the face changer. I talked about it in my I Yourself 3. After downloading this code, I saw that it took about 2 minutes, and then click the second play button to download model. It's super easy. Just click the play button after the last one, finish with a check mark. At the third step, deepfake, we should pay attention to it because we need to upload files. Then there will be something like a document logo on the left side. Click on it. There is an upload on the top. You can upload your selfie here. After uploading, there will be a progress bar below to see if it has been uploaded. Okay, after uploading the selfie, you need to rename it to as.jpg. Click the 3 dots to rename the file as.jpg. Click away to save the file name. After completing this step, we need to change in the name of the video. My Notion notes is in the description, and I have provided 2 short clips for the ladies to do face swap. Also point to the 3 dots to download and then back to this side of uploading. I changed the name of the movie are very simple, like a M. We can change the name of the video to M. In this way, you can use your own selfie to put it on the character's face in the video. After running it, you can see that it is already processing the file in processing. At this time, you can see a temp here, and you can actually see it when you open it. There are a lot of pictures. It puts a face on each picture and then assembles the pictures into a movie, but it does a good job. After 6 minutes, it's ready where it's called swapped.mp4, and then it's like 3 dots to download. The longest movie I've ever tried that could be swapped is about 37 seconds long. So please don't upload those that exceed 30 seconds, or if it exceeds 30 seconds, you divide it into 2 parts so that it's easier to do the face change. Then let's make another one with 2 faces. I've already uploaded it, and it's called huo.mp4. What's the name of your original video? You can change it. Just change the name to whatever you want and click to run the 10-second video. It takes about 6 minutes to change the face, so at this time you can go make a cup of coffee and come back. It seems that the second video is a little faster because it is already no need to download the avatar. It just downloads the video. Then my avatar is actually taken casually. I used a beautifier. I tried the square one, but the square one didn't seem to work. It seems that the rectangular one is more able to recognize the facial features. In fact, everyone, you can try it out by yourself. Also, I have prepared 2 videos for you that can be used to change faces. There are 2 girls' video and a boy's video. I replaced my husband's face. The kids watched it and they both asked, Is that a star? Ha 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 ha, they can't tell the difference. This is a great way to amuse children. I also prepared more original videos for the students of JoJo AI. Just click on this link after you log in to Teachable. Click on the Google Drive link. Just click on this link to log into the temp after clicking on the link to Google Drive. I also did a little bit of categorization. So for boys have so many films. There are many more videos for girls. You can download them here. Download a zip file to see the development of technology. We can no longer trust any moving videos we see. Have you ever thought about learning artificial intelligence but don't know where to start? Don't worry, let me tell you what ordinary people often encounter when learning AI. Artificial intelligence sounds great, but it seems like a distant field for most people. Many people worry that they don't have enough technical background or mathematical knowledge to learn AI. Some people worry that learning AI will take a lot of time. With JoJo's courses, you can easily learn AI, whether you have a technical background or not, whether you want to make a breakthrough in the workplace or want to succeed on the entrepreneurial road. JoJo AI courses can help you achieve your goals. So don't hesitate to subscribe to JoJo AI's channel to learn JoJo's courses to make AI your right-hand man so that you can achieve greater success in the workplace and life. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and buy our courses. Because in JoJo AI, we believe that standing in the wind, even pigs can fly. And there has never been a hero who made the era, but the era creates heroes, and this era is the era of AI. Have you seen that my clone has changed? Now I can get discounted clones. Friends who are interested in creating your digital human copy, remember to leave a message below. If you heavily using digital clone, we have a cost-effective way to do it.